1,000.
Nice.
Wow.
Gave it enough that time.
Yep.
We're ready to jump.
Nice job.
Alright.
I think it'll work.
We got a hole in a gas tank, so of course we're gonna fix it with my tire plug kit. There you go. You know, the good thing is these tire plugs are probably all dried out, so it's probably not gonna get too much glue in there.
Yeah, she'll work. I got faith.
Wow.
Okay, yeah, no, it's
Oh, dude.
that's way worse than it is.
There's one plug, and I think you just shoved the entire plug in there, didn't you?
No, it's still there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but it's not tight enough to hold it in.
Yeah.
See outside.
So
That's not gonna work.
gas one. Tank weld.
Oh. For
Fuel resistance epoxy putty. Ooh.
that's
might work.
that's
It's gonna cost you though.
Ooh.
I would try that.
I never
over that.
I never want to hear this.
With that,
I never want to hear the story about you going farther than I did.
I think I might rather.
You gonna pass?
Tom, does it work on plastic?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's tank. Yeah, I would use that over putting a plug in.
Plastic is fuel resistant epoxy putty.
Does the fuel need to be stopped already?
I don't know, bro.
I just kind of wonder if
I say just take that out, jam it in the hole, and pray.
I'd say let's drain it. Well, build it up.
And throw those rags over it and that bungee and...
So what we ended up doing was draining the gas tank, and then I plastic welded the tank with some plastic liners or tray dividers out of a toolbox, and then we used the epoxy putty on the tank, and it held up all weekend.
That's why we didn't follow you guys up. Yeah, we couldn't make it. Would have made it. Maybe with some running speed. Yeah.
Oh, you're going like that?
Oh,
Okay.
Yeah.
So pull it
Yeah,
too,
before
maybe.
I started building a full drive, I was gonna build a desert truck. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
But
We're gonna go.
my truck,
Have it.
twin tracking house, 31 with no cab, no gears.
Yeah.
And then
We're in there. So.
Oh, look at that close up.
So what you need to do is you're just right there.
There it is, right there.
Upgrade.
Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. Now we're in there.
Now it's in there.
Hey, actually permanent.
It was actually
Slower.
Okay, engage it. Yep, stop. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Watch out.
Pasture. Going well. Do that hard.
They didn't have to use a winch or anything.
Well, I had to use the winch, just not on me.
Ugh.
All right, nothing else mine. Yeah.
There you go, at the hill.
He's cooked too soon. I know.